on? I'm so happy that you're here on my channel, and if you're here with me every single week, you know who you are. You are a blush beauty, and it just brings me so much joy to always have you here with me every single week. So Wednesdays are really special to me because it is more of a lifestyle night, and it's just really cool to kind of pull those curtains back, allow you to see some inside things that happen in my world. I constantly am talking about my bubble. So listen, if you've never been here before and you don't know who I am, there's so much to expect here on my channel. Wednesdays are super fun. 7:30 is the premiere. Every upload is about home renovations or DIY projects, lifestyle things that are going on. So if that is something you're interested in, 100% make sure you subscribe because this is a channel for you. But Sunday afternoons are super special as well. My heart is all about beauty. Like, I just love beauty. I love making video content to really help you level up with that. And so Sundays, I'm like, let's get pretty together. Let's do our face. Let's learn about skincare. So at 2 o'clock every Sunday afternoon, there is a premiered video there as well. So if that is something you're interested in, either one of those, then make sure you subscribe. And that notification bell, when you hit subscribe, there's a bell that pops up and it just allows you to hit like all. So all uploads, you're always notified. If it is anything that happens in the community, if it is a short form video that happens here on the channel, anything like that, you're always notified. Thank you for being here. In every premiered video, there's a live chat, which is even the coolest experience. It's like so cool because I'm actually in the chat with you talking up. So you can watch from your cell phone and chat, or you can just put the video right up on your TV and just watch and hang out. The coolest experience about the chat is that Super Chats is available and also Super Thanks. During that, it prompts you if you do want to do something special for the channel. Then if you're watching live, it's called Super Chats. And if you're watching the replays and it's not during the premiere time, then it's called Super Thanks. But if you want to support the content that I do right here on my channel for you every single week as a full-time content creator, definitely hit Super Chat or Super Thanks. I really appreciate you. You are amazing. And it's so much fun making this content for you. All right, well, let's dive in. Tonight's show for, you know what it is, TGIW is, my CEO squad. So the lineup is insane. In the description is all the deets. So make sure you're here for all the channels. But most importantly, this video is super special to me because my nephew is amazing. I have so many nephews, but Levi is amazing. He's this amazing kid, and he is my nephew, okay? I would just do anything for all of them, but we did something super special, and we did something special for all of them, right? You know, it just depends. Every kid's different of what they want, or, you know, just what you feel led to do. And so Levi has for years been talking about a dirt bike. Like, he's like, I want a dirt bike, I want a dirt bike, I want a dirt bike. And so for years since he was a child, he has been saying this. Where my sister and brother-in-law live, there's not space to go ride. And so they did other special things for him, and he is very spoiled. He is a great kid. So, but I kept hearing about this dirt bike. And then something just came over me one day, and I was like,
Alan, I really want to gift him a dirt bike. Like, I want to do that for him.
And Alan's looking at me like cross-eyed, like,
are you okay? Like, let me go get the thermometer and take your temperature.
I'm like, no, for real. Like, I think that'd be super special. And so I talked to my sister and brother-in-law about it, and I was like, how would y'all feel about that? And they're like, if that's something you want to do, girl, that's on you. And so I really felt super like pulled to do that. So what you're about to witness right now is a boy that has literally been wishing for a dirt bike forever. Angel planned his birthday party and had everything come like to the house. And so what you're gonna witness right now is a kid that is excited to have his family around for his birthday. We just had this amazing dinner, and now he's at the table opening up gifts, and everybody kind of knows what's up, but some people in the room have no clue, like no clue. As he's opening up his gifts, Alan's outside, and he's getting the dirt bike pulled around to the front yard. So what you're gonna witness now is him at the table opening up gifts, and just listen because we say something in here that kind of throws him off, all right? So let's take a look.
sharp.
Oh, that's awesome. Gotta be. Oh, I don't like that.
There we go.
Sweet.
You see it has a thermometer on it.
Coming after you, Al.
Wow.
Oh!
Now we said we were getting you a bike, but it was hard to find.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One day, as an IOU, okay? So just remember, maybe Christmas. It's just a lot, you know?
Maybe you can do better.
Okay. All right, well, let's go outside and take family pictures and y'all can go hang out. Hilarious. It's like, dude, IOU. Like, who wants to open a gift and it's an IOU? No one. No one, absolutely no one. Especially someone that's been like wanting something and desiring it so much. Well, I thought it was super funny and I was like, oh, but gosh, how heartbreaking. For just a few minutes, he's probably crushed. Now what you're gonna see is we're about to actually surprise him outside. And it is just the most joyful experience ever to see either your child, a family member, or someone super close to you, or someone that you don't even know that you're able to bless and help, or just to do something really fun for, just to see their experience, you know, having it just like unfold, right? It's so cool. So now you're gonna witness, we are outside, we are surprising him, and then he gets another surprise from his mom and dad. So yeah, just continue watching. Let's check it out.
You can't be barefooted.
Hey, I could ride that.
I don't get hit like that.
Ooh.
Levi, that's yours.
Yeah, probably not.
Levi.
You excited?
Yeah. Now you do it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Right now.
Ride it, Papa Willie. You can't ride it right at this moment.
We got, your mama and daddy have something else for you.
You can tear up.
That's crazy.
What do you think this is? If we are, it's a miracle.
Ouch.
Hey, got some boots.
That'd be the good boy this year. You have been a very good boy.
Right there that's driven it.
Oh yeah, I wrote it today.
You did it?
Yeah. Alan was nervous.
I want to see that first. You doing it again?
Maybe. He's about to get his driver's license. What is he gonna drive? He really wants a truck. And so our cousin was like, I don't need this truck anymore. And he was ready to sell it. And he was like, Levi can have it. Like, that's just kind of how it worked out in their conversation. So they all worked it out to surprise him with this new truck. And so he had just gotten his, I think it's like learner's permit, right? Like you can drive with your parents. And so he has been so good about like really learning how to drive and wanting to learn how to drive and not nervous about it. So it just makes sense to have the vehicle that he will be actually driving on his own and having that full year to get that experience under his belt. So right here, you're gonna see his cousin Joseph hand him over the keys, and Levi's excited. I know he was so happy, and what great parents he has to be able to do that for him for his birthday. All right, so your cousin is handing you over the keys.
Has this been the best? A truck and a four-wheeler.
All right, this next part is really funny. I think it's very interesting how sometimes you can just get on something new and just start riding. Well, you're gonna witness right now Levi's first experience on the dirt bike. Prior to him even getting on it, Alan's ridden it several times and he's like, this is super cool. I rode it once and it was like, I did it, but I was very nervous about it. I was like, if I fall, this thing is heavy, but super cool. And so you're gonna witness now him getting on his boots that his parents got him. He got his helmet, all of his gear, and so he is checking out, and Alan's giving him instructions about the dirt bike. He's gonna go ride it. We have some trails around the house and up and down the driveway. Also gonna share with you a clip of a vlog that's on my channel of us going off-roading and going and riding, and it was so much fun. So me and Alan, the boys, and Levi went for a day. So I'm gonna show you some clips of that as well. So just sit back, relax, and just hang out with us for a bit and check out this fun, joyful experience that these kids are having. I'm gonna follow behind him just so I can watch him ride and capture some of this footage. His dad had ridden for years when he was younger, so this is super cool for Levi to now be doing this as well. And then his dad gets on it and just a little bit too and rides like he hadn't even skipped a beat in days from riding. It's so funny. So everybody really had a good time this day out just living their best life. All right, well, let's check Levi out. He did such a great job. Brother Duncan, he was born when I was 16, and I'm like, listen, I'm like, it would be super cool for you to ride. Like, he would be into it, but I think it makes him super nervous. All right, so you're 15, Duncan, you're 19. Y'all just had birthdays. So what'd you think?
Faster than that.
Faster than that.
So where's my dirt bike? Huh?
Do you want one? Heck yeah! How about a bike like that? You want that bike? Go ride this dirt bike. You want to ride this one?
You want to ride this one? I've never been able to ride a real bike.
Yeah, that one's easy. That one.
That one's fun.
All right, so how you feel?
Feel good. Blood pressure's up. Heart pump is up. Felt like I was about to die a couple times.
You did good.
Work in progress.
Happy birthday.
No.
No cameras, no cameras. So you're meeting my brother in this video. You're meeting a lot of my family, so that's super cool. So I really hope that you were here to enjoy today's video and kind of understand, like, if there's somebody in your life that you can give back to, if it's someone you know or don't know, you know, just really think of other people in those situations. If it's big or small, it doesn't matter. Even sometimes just a listening ear just to give someone that time is really important and special. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for TGIW. This was a lot of fun. I love being with you every single Wednesday night at 7:30. But up next, go check out Courage Melina, and then aandohshow, and then Olivia Hayward. So you'll see that in the featured channels below right here, but also in the description, so you can just click a button, go there and subscribe so you never miss their notifications, so you can check out their shows in the Wednesday night lineup. All right, girl, well, I will see you on Sunday because we're talking about prepping your skin for the winter, getting into all the best products to use to really help your skin rejuvenate during this dry season. Okay, and super frigid and cold. It's getting cold. All right, well, I'll see you Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock as well. Thank you for being here. I love my family. Y'all are amazing. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you next week, everybody. Make sure you subscribe, comment below. We have such a close-knit family, and great for you. I just thought this was all so right, cool. For see you later, you guys. It was like, mwah. So my sister has a company called Angel Cakes on Instagram. Go follow her. She makes delicious things if you're local. But she made these for Levi as requested. And look, somebody poked their finger in it. We think it was either Jasper, Maddox, or Cruz. Literally drawing a blank. I think that's right. I think it's right. I'll tell you. 2020, we started having this conversation. And it was...